I just recently cleaned out my cold plunge. It's the summertime and I don't have a cold water chiller yet. Cleaned it out and I wanted to get us hooked up with a filtration system. I found that this Intex pool filter is one of the cheapest, best, most affordable options. It cost me about $56 on Amazon. I grabbed a couple other things. A 1 1/4 inch Milwaukee hole dozer. This is to drill holes in the side of the tank. We got a 1 1/4 inch bathroom sink drain without overflow. I'll put the links to all this stuff in the description. I got this here at Lowe's. They were about $11 each. And last but not least, we have some OD plumber's putty. Let's do it. All right, first things first, we're gonna see what we got in this box here. The user manual. Nobody reads that. Extra parts and pieces. Looks like clamps, different nozzles, a couple different filter spouts, all that good stuff. All right, we got the tubing. The ever important 1 1/4 inch tubing. You got the pump itself. Then you got 30-foot extension cord with the built-in GFI safety regulator. Real quick, I'm just kind of laying it out. I'll put the filter there and we're gonna run the inline. We're gonna drill the hole right next to the old spot there. Outline, we're gonna put this one in here. All right, let's drill these holes. Like to kind of smooth out all the rough edges and the burrs. Hopefully get a nice good connection that way. I'll do this on the inside and the outside. Well, in typical Allen fashion, I had to go above and beyond. Decided I wanted to have a platform for my ice bath to sit on. Went ahead and repurposed these old bricks from behind the garage to make a nice little platform. So now we're gonna open up this guy and we're gonna make a ring of plumber's putty. All right, we'll take off the nut and then these two washers. Now we're gonna take some plumber's putty and we're gonna make a little ring around the outside right here. We're gonna roll it into a snake. Roll it in a nice little snake here. Now we're gonna take this, I'm gonna wrap it around the outside. So we're gonna build it up. That'll give us a nice tight seal on the inside of the tub. So we're gonna put this thing right on the inside, the hole here, and then connect these to the outside. All right, running into a little problem. These grooves are a little bit too big, so I'm gonna have to widen this hole. Open up that hole, now we got that in there. I'm gonna swing around. Black one goes first, like that. And the white one, and then the nut. Get this tightened up and snug. All right, we got this one all puttied up. I'm gonna put it in the hole right there. Now we can add black rubber gasket all the way down. And we get the white washer gasket. Squeeze that boy on all the way down. Use the old channel lock pliers. Tighten this thing. We got the outside tightened down. Now we're gonna clean up the extra putty around the outside. Kind of make it look good. All right, looking good. Quick little pro tip, wet vac the inside to get out all the extra metal shavings. Now we are hooking up the hose clamps that came with the pump on the pump. I just did the first one. I'm gonna do the second one right here. All right, let's get this sucker hooked up. make sure to throw your hose clamp over the tubes before you connect them. So that way you can just slide those right into position. There we go. We'll tighten those up. Got the pump all hooked up. Let's go ahead and fill her up. All right, let her do her magic.
Here goes something. Oh, there we go. That's more like it. Wow, that takes a lot of getting used to.
Good job, buddy.
You did it.
She's all running. Filter installed. Dirty water's going out, and then clean water's coming back in. All right, so the next project is going to be to get the water chiller hooked up and get her down to temp. All right, y'all, a little update. It's a little hood. Got the little pump in there. Got the chiller hooked up finally. It's been chilling all night. It's only 1/10 horsepower, so it's going down slow, but we're down to 64 from 77 last night. Cold water coming out. Hey, good morning, everybody. Just want to give you a little update on the cold plunge. Been running all night. Got her down to 59 so far. It's just a 1/10 horsepower. It's not super powerful. The water's flowing out cold. 59. Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, Alan Dean, and I wanted to show you guys my cold plunge setup.